Today I'm going to run you through how to change the height, adjust the rod with a 4mm pitch. So for each revolution of the adjuster screw, we're going to change the height by 4mm. We undo our 2 clamp bolts on this side. Use a extension shaft, and we're going to adjust our height adjuster rod. This is 4mm per revolution, so we're at 40mm cut height and we want to raise the cut height. I'm going to turn this in a clockwise direction. 4mm for every revolution. If I want to go down, anti-clockwise. So we'll go from 40mm to 50mm. Put my power bar on, taking note of where I started. 1, 2.5 mils gives me my 10 mils of height that I'm after. 1, 2.5, and I can see on my height indicator rod that I'm now at 50 mils. And just repeat that for the other side. Just tighten up my clamp bolts. So once you've adjusted one side, just repeat the process on the other side. Fill up my clamp bolts, and that's set at 50 mils, ready to go.